Hi guys, David from Auswide Tools Mechanics Tool Hire. Today I want to showcase some diesel injector tooling to let you know what is available and what's out there. This one here, a great piece of kit, universal, part number DM21-1905. The reason why I like this kit over some of the others that we have in stock is, as I said before, it is quite universal. It will cover Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen. It'll do Mazdas like the BT50s, the Fords, Ford Rangers. It'll do Volvos, it'll do Ivecos, Renaults, Fiats, and a whole heap of other vehicles. So very versatile kit and definitely worth the money. You will notice that it doesn't come with a slide hammer. It is good in a way because basically we've brought together 3 different size slide hammers to suit your needs, so you can just choose that. This one here is our shortest small one, the DM-S hammer. Really good, especially if you're working on vehicles such as like your Vitos and your Sprinters where there's minimal room, especially on the rear cylinders. The next step up is this one here, the medium one. This is a 1.6 kilo slide hammer. If you've got room, we probably recommend to use this one. And the last one, this is very much an overkill, only in extreme situations. This is an 8 kilo slide hammer. You probably almost need to take the bonnet off and have an extra person help you, assist you with it, but this will definitely get it out. Now, as far as the injectors go, there are 2 ways to get the injectors out that I just wanted to briefly show you. We've got a test injector here. You've got, this is the first version you'd use, and you'll see the machine flats just under the head of the injector. Now on the Bosches, they've also got a machine flat at the base as well. So all you'd simply do is just get your claw around the base, connect your slide hammer to it and pull it out. If they don't have these machine flats or it's too difficult to access them, the other way you can do is you can unscrew the actual top of the cap of the injector and then simply find one of the adapters. You'll notice the bottom row, you've got a whole heap of female adapters and male adapters. Just screw that all the way down so you don't pull the thread off, and then that's ready to go and pull out. Now, the other thing that I also do want to mention is cleaning the seats. When you're pulling injectors out, especially Mercedes, they suffer really badly from carboning up. You definitely want to clean the seats. Do not go too hard on the aluminium. You're not actually supposed to cut any aluminium. It's purely just to get the carbon off the seats, to have a fresh surface for the injector. We also have noticed that a lot of the late model vehicles, some of them have newer, very thin injectors. This is a new kit, which obviously has many more adapters than the previous one, which will last you many, many years to come. And on the final note, copper washer, getting them out, there is actually a tool for it, which I'm going to show you now. It's just a long shaft, and at the bottom of it, it's like a spigot bearing. So you just turn that out, and it basically spreads those feet, and then you pull out the copper washer, and job is done. So there's a few tips for you regarding tooling. Check it out on our website, oswidetools.com.au, and if you like this video, like us on Facebook.